Good morning, class. How are you all doing today?
Morning, teacher. We are doing fine. Thank you.
Great to hear that. Today we are going to discuss about the topic global warming. Do any of you have any idea what it means?
I think global warming is the gradual increase in the Earth's average surface temperature due to the greenhouse gases.
That's correct. Global warming is caused by human activities such as burning of fossil fuels and deforestation. It can have adverse effects on the environment including rising sea levels, melting of polar ice caps, and more frequent extreme weather events.
Is there anything we can do to prevent global warming?
Yes, we can reduce our carbon footprints by using renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Instead of fossil fuels, we can also practice energy conservation by turning off lights and appliances when not in use and using public transport instead of person vehicles.
That sounds like a good plan. I will try to do my part in reducing my carbon footprint.
That's great to hear. Remember, every little effort counts toward a better and sustainable future for our planet.
Thank you, teacher. I will keep that in mind.
You are welcome, class. Let's get started with our lesson on global warming.